Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I want to introduce you today to perhaps the most advanced weapon in the US military arsenal right now, the AIM260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile, or JATM, developed by Lockheed Martin as a beyond visual range air-to-air missile, showing remarkable technological advancement and strategic importance for both the US Air Force and Navy. The exterior of the AIM260 is sleek and aerodynamic. The missile body features a robust composite airframe designed to withstand the enormous stresses of hypersonic flight. Despite its compact length, it houses advanced propulsion and guidance systems that enable it to reach at least hypersonic speeds estimated around Mach 5. The surface is coated with radar-absorbent materials, reducing its signature and making it harder to detect during its flight envelope. It carries barely noticeable fins and control surfaces that help it maneuver in complex aerial environments, and these wings fold or retract into the body to minimize drag on launch platforms and deploy once airborne. The design prioritizes stealth range and mobility in ways we have not seen in previous air-to-air missiles. The interior inside the AIM260 resides a highly integrated warhead guidance and propulsion assembly. The warhead section uses a high explosive blast fragmentation payload suitable for neutralizing agile aerial threats, such as advanced fighters and drones. The guidance suite combines inertial navigation, datalink, and active radar homing to ensure the missile can find and track targets autonomously once launched from platforms like the F22, Raptor F35, Lightning Roman 2 F-15EX or F/A-18EF Super Hornet. The internal components are ruggedized and optimized for high-G environments and compact enough to keep the interior footprint minimal while delivering maximum performance. Performance speaks for itself. The AIM260 travels at hypersonic speeds of at least Mach 5, enabling it to close huge ranges exceptionally fast. The combination of speed and range gives US pilots a tremendous first-shot advantage in beyond visual range dogfights. The missile was designed specifically to counter emerging advanced threats and adversary weapons that challenge current air defense systems. The dual service requirement means the program is prioritized above all other air-delivered weapons. Modernization efforts in both the Air Force and Navy, a total procurement and development sum of $687 million, was requested in the 2026 fiscal budget, illustrating how seriously the Department of Defense is taking this missile. The speed and maneuverability make it a formidable tool against highly agile adversarial aircraft, drones, or even potential future unmanned threats, and the networked guidance allows mid-course updates, ensuring the missile can react dynamically to shifting battlefield conditions. Safety features. Even though the AIM260 is a weapon of war, safety features are essential, particularly in handling storage, transport, and launch phases. The missile includes insensitive munitions designed to reduce the chance of accidental detonation in case of fire or impact with other ordnance. There are built-in arming safeties to ensure the missile can only be armed under precise conditions and command authorization. The data link guidance further adds safety by enabling abort commands mid-flight. If a launch goes astray or friendly forces move into the projected path of the missile and lock. Lockheed Martin engineers have layered fail-safe locks, preventing accidental activation during ground operations, minimizing training and handling risks. Unique selling points. There are several unique selling points setting the AIM260 apart from predecessors and competitor missiles. First, it is a hypersonic speed AMRAAM that outperforms existing systems like the AIM120 AMRAAM in both range and speed. Second, it integrates three guidance technologies: inertial datalink and active radar homing to ensure target engagement under contested environments. Third, it is service agnostic, able to operate from multiple aircraft platforms, enhancing interoperability and reducing logistic complexity. Fourth, it is prioritized so highly that its procurement outranks other weapon system improvements in USAF and USN budgets, reflecting how critical it is perceived to be for future air dominance. And finally, its stealthy exterior design and advanced warhead make it lethal and hard to detect, combining offense and survivability in one package. Price. In terms of cost, its exact unit price is not publicly disclosed. However, the FY 2026 budget request allocated a total of $687 million for both procurement and development of the AIM260 JATM. That figure indicates significant investment across production and refinement phases. The cost reflects the complexity of hypersonic guidance technologies along with its dual service configuration. While per unit cost remains classified, we can infer the missile is priced at a premium relative to legacy systems given its cutting-edge capabilities and program priority. Conclusion: the AIM260 Joint Advanced Tactical Missile represents a leap forward in air-to-air warfare capability. The exterior embraces a stealthy aerodynamic profile. The interior is compact yet high-performing with advanced guidance and explosive payloads. Its performance with hypersonic speeds and multistage guidance ensures U.S. forces maintain a decisive edge beyond visual range. Safety features such as insensitive munitions, design and arming safeties protect both operators and support personnel. Unique selling points from multi-platform compatibility to top priority procurement status underline how the Pentagon sees this weapon as vital for future conflicts. The substantial budget allocation confirms its strategic importance, while price remains undisclosed. The investment magnitude signals this missile is a flagship program for air dominance. If you want to understand why modern air combat will be decided long before pilots see each other, the AIM260 is a real game changer.